What do you do?
Wewe, wacha hizi hapo hivi.
Do what? What do you say? What do you say? Are you registered? How would you do your service?
Of course, you get clients. They take them.
Your organization is called what?
It's called
Harold?
Canadian Dream Visionary.
So they come and pay and take them. How about the children whom you are hosting? The people, how do you recruit them? Because you have a team of people here who are invited from different parts of the country, seated here, waiting for you to give them jobs. How do you say that?
So you get clients and they get
Pay you money. That's all. People whom you recruit, they pay you money. Those who pay you money, you have hired even for them houses here that are staying in bad. Eh?
and it's
Which type of supplements are those? You are getting people from all walks of the country. They are here, they are suffering, they don't have what to eat. These ones here, they don't want, you will end up calling them money. You have called the people money. And we have good reports. So you give me why do you bring here people to come and stay here and then you ask them to bring people before you give them money? We have the information. We are calling people money. I'm there assisting on Bali City. Yes. Promising them jobs. You know how many I've stayed here for about 6 to 10 months, there are no jobs. You are continuing to keep them around. You are training other people you want to call them money. Which jobs do you give to people?
that's we don't offer. What do you offer?
What do you offer?
Business. Which
What
business
is
do you
that?
Because you really do this steps. We have this team just help us estimate on how to manage how to serve our
There are those people who are here, who have stayed here for a very long time. What opportunities are those that you are giving them when they are suffering? Some of them even went back to the village to get food. Why are you harboring people here? And calling money from them.
Can you account for each and every one who is here? You know where they come from, you know their families, you know their backgrounds, you know their institutions. What does the law of the public someone that they keep saying to overthrow the government of us? Did you have you ever gone to her office? Just tell us anything.
These ones, they should stop immediately. This is the wrong team of people. We don't want to have a wrong people in the city. You are calling people money. We have information. We have complainants. You have brought a team of these children. You are now talking to them. You want to call them money. We shall not allow that to happen here. Each person should pay money before they are recruited in your things. And then you promise them jobs. Which jobs? Where are you getting jobs? Which opportunities are you giving them? You know how many are within here who are suffering because of you? So DPC, Onosanya Mutwale, Nebani, all those who are in charge of this organization should go inside. This place should close immediately. Yes.
Mwakatibu. Akatibu.
At the end of the day, we will find out. And when we get that the director you have made is some of these things, you want to be a director, right? You man. You have refused, you are not the director. Are you sure? And the other red man, the Valentine man. You are just smart. And you pay, and you come late. Are you not a director? We know them. No, that's our time now. Now, maybe. We got room 15 what? Well, anything but me. This. Hey. Everybody is good.
Bado ni mzaji wa kutewa. Bado ni mzaji wa kutewa. Kuna kifahamu cha
Badde tufuna information nti waliwo ekitongole kye bayita Kanani Visionary Dreamers abagathering abantu kuba mu bifo ebyanjawulo ebya Uganda, Soroti, Katapi, Wa, Esironko, Emanafa, bubajje wana abaana baba training baba job opportunities. Naye mu kukola ekyo badde babajjako sente. Ati kati baba ajjako sente zino mu millions of money. Abaana ne bajja Embaale ne babafunira awokusula naye ate nga tebabasasulira n'emmere ey'okulya obuzibu. Then on top of that abaana bano bali muno basafaringa tebalina kyakukola baviira wala tebana transport tebalina mmere naye bano abantu aba dream visionaries. Is it Kanani Visionary Dreams? Nga bakulirira ne Joshua omuvuka gwe bayita Joshua yakunga abaana bano bonna mu Mbaale ne bajja muno. Abamu babadde eyo ne baba babbako ebintu byabwe, abamu bali bubi. Kale toba twakoze ekikwekweto okulaba nti abaana bano bafuna what we call peace and justice. Baze mu office ne bancomplainingira, so nestukiramo ne police yaffe netugenda as we speak now tubalina mu custody bagenda kubakolako investigations tulyoke tulabe what next on them. As of now they are suspects until when investigations are done. Yes, waliwo issue ey'emirimu mu Uganda mu bavubuka abaffe. Naye if message gyembawa nti babeere begenderevu. Waliwo ebitongole ebimu ebijja mu kyalo eyo ne bibasuubiza ensi n'eggulu naye ate nga nabo banoonya kubeerawo. Kati nga organization ng'eno yaze mu Mbaale neekunga abaana from all sides of the country okubasuubiza emirimu naye ate babajjako sente. Kitaawe ne maama we batunde ebintu byonna bigweyo osasule million 2 mujje mu Mbaale nti muze kufuna emirimu mu organization. So ebintu ebyo bye bituleetedde obuzibu okubeera ne child trafficking omuntu asubira nti waliwo akalungi akali eyo n'agenda bugenzi nga teyeebuuzizaako. Abavubuka mbakoowola mubeere vigilant, mubeere bulindaala. Organization ezimu zibalonyamu ssente okubalya okubadifraudinga. Ebintu bingi bye balimbiwa nti bagenda bweru, nti bagenda kubayigiriza okuvuga nyonyi, bagenda kubayigiriza okuvuga amamotoka, ate nga bo bennyini nabo tebalina wadde akatundu ka motoka. So abantu bano babbi bali muno mu Mbale badde batuula muno bakoninga abantu baffe mu community okubajjako ssente n'okubasuubiza ebitaliiyo. Ate waliwo ebitongole ebiri registered okutwala abantu wabweru. Obanga oyagadde okugenda okukola emirimu wabweru, noonyereza ku organization ki yebeekutwala, naye si nti buli omu anajja mu maaso gammwe agenda batwala bweru mukola emirimu. Mubeere beegenderevu, abantu naku zino banoonya ssente mu buli ngeri yonna.